Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to identify any kind of song with Shazam application, and this application no need to install in your iPhone. This is a by default application available on your iPhone. So I will provide you detailed demonstration how to use it and how to find out any kind of song very easily. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, I will show you here my control center. So here the Shazam application is not available. I add here music recognition application, and this one is available by default available on iPhone. So simply open here my setting option and little bit scroll down, and here control center options are available. After general option, click here and look at this here. I already added those shortcuts in here in my control center, and I can very easily access on any time. So here little bit we can scroll down and see here music recognition options are available here. Look at this here. So I just simply add this one, and now I scroll down here control panel, the Shazam logo is come here, and you can very easily recognize of any kind of music. So simply I play one of the music here in the South Indian movie in India, and we can see the how long time to recognize this application, this particular song. So look at this, within a second the application are recognize this song, and you can click this particular song and very easily enjoy this song of your personal time. So we can recognize one more song here. So look at this, the song is come here, and you can just press and the song are come here in your mobile screen. That one is quite amazing application, and this feature is available absolutely free of cost in your iPhone devices. So accordingly you can play any kind of song or listen any kind of song of any places located on in the world or near your. So you can very easily recognize the song and enjoy your private time. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.